this is Michelle Steigerwald from REMAX 1. I wanted to let you know that I'll be hosting a public open house at 21 Davenport Drive in West Windsor, New Jersey on Sunday, October 11th, 2020, from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. But I'd like to extend a special preview hour for the neighbors of West Windsor Estates from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Perhaps you have some friends and family that want to get into the neighborhood. Now is the time to check it out. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a private showing, please feel free to call or text me at 908-812-8465. You could also email me at yournjproperty@gmail.com. Refreshments and snacks will be served. Please RSVP in the link provided. I look forward to seeing you, and this is Michelle Steigerwald from REMAX 1, guiding your dreams into reality.